Hey Kanata, it's your friendly neighborhood John the Plumber. Serving you since 2006. Your reliable choice for plumbing services and drain cleaning services in Kanata. Want fast, friendly, and reliable service in Kanata for things like clogged drains, clogged toilets, hot water tank replacements, or sump pump installations? Then call John the Plumber. All of our plumbers are licensed, insured, and most importantly, friendly. All of our work is backed by our industry-leading 2-year warranty. From drain cleaning, sump pump installations, to hose bib replacements, it's all covered by our warranty. Need sewer repair? We specialize in sewer repairs and replacements in Kanata. Need new faucets or valves? We have top quality plumbing fixtures that are built to last. Need leaks repaired or pipes cleaned? Our team is equipped to handle any stubborn clog and are ready to repair leaks of any size. Need emergency plumbing in Kanata? Our team of skilled and professional plumbers are on standby, waiting to provide you with any solution to your plumbing problem. Monday night or Sunday morning, we are here to provide you with exceptional plumbing service. Call us today or book online and save $20 on your booking. Returning customer, enjoy 10% off your bill thanks to our loyalty program. Want a quote? We'll provide you with a detailed, transparent, and fair quote for the job at hand. If you choose us for the job, we'll waive your quote fee. Concerned about costs? John the Plumber offers competitive pricing and detailed quotes, plus easy financing options with Finance It. Enjoy soft, non-invasive credit checks and flexible payment plans, all without hidden penalties. With John the Plumber, you're choosing a trusted, local expert committed to quality and customer satisfaction. Join thousands of customers already experiencing peace of mind and exceptional customer service. Laura said the tap on my shower stopped working. I booked online and they arrived within 30 minutes. Cleaned up thoroughly. Relieved I got same-day service. Chris said, super helpful, timely, they explained everything to me, made good suggestions, and they cleaned up after the work. Outstanding service. Peter said, highly recommend John the Plumber. They came in and got the job done. No messing around. Made a messy situation easier to deal with. Visit us online to schedule your quote or consultation from our team of friendly and reliable professionals.